In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open capital.com account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to capital.com. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, to open an account, you'll simply need to go over to the right hand corner and go over to the open an account section right here. Once from here, you'll be able to see the sign up page right here, where you can enter in your email address or password and then continue. You can also use your Google ID or your Apple ID to create an account. Once from here, you'll need to add in your residency and nationality. So just click which country you live in, your nationality, and you select date of birth down here. You also need to click I will deposit and withdraw funds using accounts held by my country of residence, and I am not a citizen, green card holder, or tax resident of the United States. Once from here, you'll be able to see the welcome page right here, where you can see and set up your account, where you'll need to provide your trading experience and investment knowledge, your personal information, and a valid identification document to enter in the KYC. Once from here, you'll simply need to click get started, and from here you'll be able to be asked if you want emails be spammed to your email address. Just click no and click continue. From here, you'll simply need to add in your trading experience, include online platforms, professional investment advice, or portfolio management services, or none of the above. Once from here, you simply need to click continue, and then you'll be asked how many years you have been trading. And you can just click this right here. Once from here, you'll also be asked why do you want to trade with capital.com. Enter in why you want to do that. Click continue. And then from here, you'll simply need to enter in all of the 24 different questions that capital.com will ask you. Once you have created and selected all of the right questions, you'll then be asked to fill in your personal information like your first name, last name, where you live, etc. And then you'll need to provide some form of ID to create and open up your capital.com account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!